Hi everyone, today we're on Module 2, Whole Numbers and Decimals of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 7, so please turn to page 27 to follow along and take notes. All right, today is a Gizmos lesson, so let me go through it and then you will go to your VMath Live and log into Gizmos. So it's called Treasure Hunter, and this is decimals on the number line. So this says, use the number line to compare the numbers, then write greater than or less than. So here, these are all whole numbers, but you're going to be doing decimals in a little bit. So if we put them on a number line, 34 is right here and 51 is right here. Well, we can easily see that 51 is greater than, so we would say actually the order says 34 is less than 51. Remember, you always face the inequality sign based on it's like a little alligator. So if you made it bigger, make little teeth, the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. Okay, number 2, we have 62. So 60, 61, 62, and then 47 is right here. Well, we know that 62 is greater than 47. So the alligator is going to eat 62. And the last one, 53 is 51, 52, right here, 53. And then 55 is right here. So in this order, we would say 53 is less than 55. All right, so when you go to the lesson, it says click missions. So you're going to click missions and then click on challenge level 2. So where it says challenge level 2, you are going to click on that. Then it says click start mission. Your goal is to reach the target as quickly as possible. You're going to drag the gear shift to tens to move by tens. So here's the gear. So you're going to drag that to tens. Then you're going to click forward, which is right here. It's kind of hard to see in here, but you'll be able to see it on your computer. When you are close, drag the gear shift down to ones to move by ones. And then when the target is reached, click stop. Okay, stop is right here. And then you're going to click dig. So then it says click mark your map. Click on the arrows to move the number line. Drag the marker onto the number line to show the target. Which is further from the start, mile 2 or mile 22, and then you'll explain. So some things you'll do things on the computer, and then you will also have to write on here. So I know you can't see everything because I don't have the program on the video, but when you log into Gizmos, you will be able to see that, and you just follow the directions exactly, and it'll tell you what to do. All right, so you're going to complete page 27 and 28 on your own. Make sure to follow all the directions for the Gizmos. Okay, good luck.